Hey, what up fellas? What's going on? Mr. Silva here with another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to vectorize any image for your vinyl decal stickers. When you are starting a small business or a home-based business, you are in a budget and you can't afford to pay someone else to design your decals. You gotta figure it out how to do it and save as much money as you can since you're just starting. And that's what I make in this video. I'm going to show you some tricks and techniques based on my experience so you can get the work done. If it's your first time watching my videos, I make videos every week about how to make money with vinyl decals. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel using the link down below. Okay, let's get started. Let's search for the design or the image we want to vectorize. Breaking Bad. For all the Breaking Bad fans, this is gonna be really nice. I love this series. Okay, we go to images. Okay, let's do a more specific search and Walter White vector. Okay, so we have a bunch of Walter White images, or Heisenberg, whatever you want to call him. Let's search for a small tiny image so we can resize it, and that's the whole point of this video. Okay, this one is 200 pixels by 200 pixels, which is perfect. So we right click and then save image as, and then we save the image right here and hit save. Okay, so now let's jump into Adobe Illustrator. Okay, now we are here in Adobe Illustrator, and I'm not gonna explain any of this toolbar here or any of these icons right here because that's not the purpose of the video. I'm just going to show you the real easy, quick way to get the work done, as I mentioned before. So we're gonna go to File and Open, and we're gonna find the image we just saved. We're gonna open it. So as you can see, the image is really small, and let's say we want this image to be resized to this whole square right here, which is 14 inches by 14 inches. So if we do that, you're gonna see how this image looks really ugly, and we can work with one image like this. So what we gotta do is we click on the image, and this is the magic here. This where we're gonna do our magic trick. So live trace, this is called live trace, and we're gonna go to this arrow right here and go to tracing options, and then we're gonna hit the little select button here for preview. So this is the result of the vectorized image, but it's kind of a little bit different, so we have to tweak some of the presets here. So we're gonna here 1 pixel, 1 pixel, and 1 right here. So now we have the image before we vectorize and the image after we vectorize. So it's pretty much the same image, but definitely it has improved a lot. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So once we finish here, we don't touch any of the preset this side, and we go right here and hit trace. And after we hit trace, we're gonna go to this menu here and hit expand. When we hit expand, it converts the image to a bunch of paths. So in other words, we can play with these anchors here, and we can tweak the image a little bit and do some changes. So let me show you now. And now if we want to resize the whole image here, now we're gonna be able to resize to whatever size we want, and the image is not showing any pixelation, and this is really perfect, really nice. Okay, if you have any question, leave it in the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.